OxyMBBS. One-step solution for all medical studies.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you which are the constituents of the ORS and how much they are present in the ORS packet which is recommended by our WHO. So as you all know, the full form of ORS is what? Oral Rehydration Solution. And these are the main four constituents of the ORS. One is sodium chloride, second one is sodium citrate, next is potassium chloride and glucose. Now the question is how much they are present in the ORS packet. So first is sodium chloride. Now friends, from the Di in the sodium we can easily derive this number 2, as from the di means number 2, and from CH in the chloride we can easily derive this number 6, as from CH there is number 6. 6 is called 6 in Hindi. And there is a space present in between the sodium and chloride. So for this space we will use point. So how much sodium chloride is present in the ORS packet? It is 2.6 grams. Okay. Now next is sodium citrate. Again from di there is number 2, and from C, pronunciation of C is like 6, and from TRATE in the citrate it is saying that please rotate this number 6, so this number 6 will become number 9. It means the concentration of sodium citrate is how much? It is 2.9 grams. Next is potassium chloride. Now from P it is number primary or 1 degree, so it is number 1 here, and from CH again it is number 6. It means sodium chloride is how much? It is 1.6 gram. Next is glucose. Now from the glucose take this L, O and E. Now we can easily make number 5 from the L. Let's see how. This is capital L. Now make a straight line here and curve here, so it becomes number 5. And from O it is number 1, ONE 1. So we are taking this O from the 1, so it is number 1 here. And from E we can easily derive this number 3, as E looks like number 3. So we have 1, 3 and 5. Now this O after L will remind you that just make a point after the L. It means there must be 13.5. So friends, in this way from these 1, 3, 5 and point you can easily derive this number 13.5. Now when all these constituents of the ORS are mixed into the 1 liter water, then all these salts get dissolved and we get sodium ion, chloride ion, potassium ion, citrate ion and glucose. Now the concentration of glucose in 1 liter water is how much? It is 75. Now from this SE you can easily derive this number 75. SE means number 75. It means 75 millimoles per liter is the concentration of glucose in 1 liter water. Similarly from TE in the citrate you can derive this number 10. It means 10 millimoles per liter of the citrate ion. Next is chloride ion. How much chloride ion is there? So from CH in the chloride you can easily derive this number 6. From this L you can derive this number 5. So the concentration of chloride ion is how much? 65 millimoles per liter. And from S in the sodium you can easily derive this number 75. 70 S in the 75 and S in the sodium. So concentration of sodium ion in 1 liter water is how much? 75 millimoles per liter. Now last one is potassium ion. Now for the potassium just take OT and this U here. So here are OTU. Now from this T and U there is number 2, and now just write this O after the 2, so it becomes number 20. It means concentration of potassium ion is how much? 20 millimoles per liter. So if we add all these concentrations, then it becomes total how much moles? 245 millimoles per liter. And this is very important, as this is asked in many PG entrance examination. Okay, now friends, there is ReSoMal. ReSoMal means rehydration solution for malnourished patient. Now friends, for the malnourished patient we use ReSoMal. ReSoMal means rehydration solution for malnourished patient, and the main constituents of this ReSoMal are 1 ORS packet, 50 grams glucose, 40 grams electrolyte with minerals like copper, zinc, magnesium, and all these constituents are mixed in 2 liter water. So for the malnourished patient, along with the ORS packet we add extra 50 grams glucose, 40 grams electrolytes with minerals. Now friends, let's see concentration of all these constituents in 1 liter water. So in 1 liter water, sodium will be, now this much concentration was 75 was present in the ORS packet, but here we will decrease sodium concentration by 30, so it is 45 millimoles per liter in the ReSoMal. Okay, now friends, similarly for the citrate, just minimize number 3 from the 10, as 10 was present in the ORS packet and it becomes 7 millimoles per liter. Similarly for the glucose, add, as we are adding extra 50 grams glucose in the ReSoMal, so we will here add number 50 in the 75, so it becomes 125 millimoles per liter. Chloride 65, add number 5 here, so it becomes 70. For the potassium, add number 20, so it becomes 40, and the minerals are 4 millimoles per liter. So if you will write sequence like this, then everything will become easy. Sodium first, citrate, then glucose, then chloride, then potassium, then minerals. So from the sodium we will minimize number 30, from the citrate number 3, from 30 there is 3, from 50 there is 5, and 20 cricket match. So for the potassium, very simple, and for all these sodium, citrate, glucose and chloride, you just write this sequence. Okay, so total concentration of ReSoMal in 1 liter is how much? It is approximately 300 millimoles per liter, while in the ORS packet it was 245 millimoles per liter. So friends, as in the ReSoMal the concentration is approximately 300 millimoles per liter, so it can be said that this ORS packet, which is recommended by our WHO, is reduced ORS, because here concentration is 245, while in the ReSoMal it is 300 millimoles per liter. It means here concentration is reduced, so it is called reduced ORS. And in the ReSoMal the concentration of sodium is minimized by 30, so ReSoMal is also called as reduced sodium ORS.